We'd all like to pretend that our kids are perfectly clean, but that's not always the case. It doesn't take a fairy godmother to clean those messes up when you have an army of essential oils that can gently remove gum stuck to the bedpost, little Picasso's masterpiece from the wall, or grime off their toys and even their hands. That killer cleaning lineup consists of Lemon, On Guard, Purify, and Melaleuca. Lemon is known for its incredible cleansing and purifying properties, which help break down and remove sticky residue off many hard surfaces. Lemon is also great for cleaning stainless steel without leaving any marks. A little goes a long way, and it is very powerful. On Guard is another perfect essential oil for cleansing. Try purifying the toy room with this spicy sweet blend. During the changing of the seasons or after friends have been over and many hands have been all over the toys, use On Guard to spray them off and get them clean quickly. Diffuse Purify in your kid's bathroom to get rid of odors, or add a few drops to the wash and freshen up stinky laundry. Add several drops of Melaleuca to a spray bottle filled with water to make an all-purpose cleaner that can protect your family against environmental threats. Use these essential oils to simplify cleaning your home and feel good knowing that you're using toxin-free products that are safe to use in your kids' favorite places.